Welcome to the Car Quiz Unique. Can you identify the make and model of 10 vintage automobiles just from their photos? Let's find out. Question 1. Is this classic? A. 1961 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. B. 1963 Oldsmobile 98. C. 1964 Buick Electra 225. D. 1962 Lincoln Continental. The correct answer is A. 1961 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Question 2. Choices are A. 1977 Buick Riviera. B. 1975 Corvette Stingray. C. 1973 De Tomaso Pantera. D. 1974 Firebird Trans Am. It's B. 1975 Corvette Stingray. Question 3. Is this car A. 1964 Chevrolet Impala, B. 1966 Ford Galaxy 500, C. 1963 Buick Electra 225, D. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville? The correct answer is D. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville. Question 4. A. 1936 Lincoln Zephyr. B. 1934 Chrysler Airflow. C. 1939 Buick Century. D. 1935 Auburn 851. This vehicle is B. 1934 Chrysler Airflow. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this quiz, make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next one. Question 5. Are we looking at A. 1977 Chevrolet Blazer K5, B. 1975 International Scout 2, C. 1979 Plymouth Trail Duster, D. 1978 Jeep Wagoneer? The right answer is D. 1978 Jeep Wagoneer. Question 6. Is this classic? A. 1924 Packard 143 Touring. B. 1927 Buick Master 6. C. 1921 Cadillac Suburban. D. 1929 Ford Model A Tudor. This is C. 1921 Cadillac Suburban. Question 7. Your options: A. 1956 Ford Fairlane. B. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. C. 1957 Plymouth Fury. D. 1958 Buick Roadmaster. The correct answer is A. 1956 Ford Fairlane. Question 8. This is A. 1974 AMC Gremlin, B. 1972 Ford Pinto, C. 1978 Dodge Omni, D. 1971 Plymouth Duster. If you picked A, 1974 AMC Gremlin, you're right. Question 9. Is this car A, 1957 Fiat 1100, B, 1959 Renault Dauphine, C, 1958 Saab 93, D, 1958 Morris Minor 1000? The answer is C, 1958 Saab 93. Question 10. Pick from A, 1976 Ford F100, B, 1979 GMC Sierra Classic, C, 1978 Dodge Adventurer, D, 1974 Ford Ranger. This one is C, 1978 Dodge Adventurer. That's the end of the quiz. How many did you get right? Leave a comment with your score and let us know what classic cars you'd like to see next time. And don't forget, hit subscribe so you never miss our next classic car quiz.